Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vivek and today we are going to learn man-made disasters and mitigation strategies. So let's move on. So let's learn the contents we are going to cover in this video. Introduction. Here is the correct definition of a disaster. The term disaster is commonly used to denote any odd event, natural or man-made, which brings about immense misery to a region and it becomes difficult to cope with the situation through local resources. The word disaster is a Greek word which means bad star. So, disasters can be classified into two types, namely natural and man-made disasters. In this video, we are going to talk about man-made disasters. A man-made disaster is a disaster resulting from human intent, negligence, or error. Man-made disasters can be both intentional and unintentional. It results in huge loss of life and property. It further affects a person's mental, physical, and social well-being. So, the first type of man-made disaster is nuclear accidents. It is a type of explosion deriving its force from nuclear reactions of fission and fusion. It is an event that has led to significant consequences to people, the environment, or the faculty. Examples include lethal effect to individuals, large radioactive release in the environment, or reactor cold melt. The main nuclear accidents in the history were Fukushima Daiichi accident as well as Chernobyl accident. So the precautions to prevent this disaster is don't look at fire as it causes instant blindness. Close all doors and windows as radioactivity doesn't penetrate into solid structures. Cover all food and water and listen to government orders. Technical measures need to be adopted to reduce the risk of accidents or to minimize the amount of radioactivity released in the environment. So, the second one is biological disaster. The devastating effects caused by an enormous spread of a certain kind of living organism that may spread disease, virus, or infection of a plant, animal, or insect life on an epidemic or pandemic level is known as biological disaster. It indicates a disaster that affects a much larger regions, sometimes an entire continent or even the whole planet. For example, the recent swine flu or COVID-19 pandemic. So, the precautions to prevent this types of disaster is safe water supply and proper maintenance of sewage pipeline and epidemics of waterborne origins. Personal hygiene, necessary awareness will be created in the community about the importance of personal hygiene and measures to achieve this, including provisions of washing, cleaning and bathing facilities and avoiding overcrowding in sleeping quarters, vector control, etc. So, the third one is chemical disaster. A chemical disaster is the unintentional release of one or more hazardous substance which could harm human health and the environment. Such events include fires, explosions, leakage, or release of toxic or hazardous materials that can cause people illness, injury, or disability. It can cause immediate health effects like eye irritation, skin burns, poisoning, etc. The precautions to prevent this is to eliminate the possibility of chemical accidents and thereby preventing its harmful effects. Some of the preventive measures that can be deployed are through making use of inbuilt safety measures, wearing hand gloves and eye protection safety glasses and safety goggles, fume hood usage, having standard operating procedures, rigorous operational safety procedures and providing necessary training and periodic retraining in it. The fourth one is fire accidents. When we light, flame is produced during combustion, which is called fire. When fire comes into contact with objects and materials, it burns or destroys them in a relatively short time. Fire results in heavy damage both in terms of life and property. The measures to prevent fire is, it can be extinguished in any one or more of the three main constituents are removed from the scene of fire. The main reason is poor wiring or faulty electrical equipment, leaking gas or carelessly thrown cigarettes or matches. Fire should be properly covered, inflammable things should be kept out of reach of children. PowerPoint should not be overloaded. Be prepared to extinguish the fire if it burns a nuisance. The fifth one is terrorism. Terrorism is defined as an act that is violent or dangerous to human life, with the intent of furthering political or social objectives. It is the use of intentional violence for political or religious purposes. So the precautions to prevent this such type of disaster is, so the primary prevention is education, creating awareness among people against terrorism, increasing security around the nation. The one and only strength against terrorism is unity of people. We must stay away from any suspicious things and inform police about that. Do not accept packages from strangers. By protecting and mobilizing civil society, and by eliminating the root of terrorism. So, the sixth and last main disaster is ecological disaster. Also known as environmental disaster, is a catastrophic event regarding the environment due to human activity. It includes pollution of air, water, noise, soil degradation, loss of biodiversity, global warming, rise in sea level, toxic waste or nuclear accidents that disturbs the beauty of nature. Environmental disasters can have an effect on agriculture, biodiversity, the economy and human health. Here are some of the main precautions to prevent ecological disaster from damaging our earth. At last, it is important to understand man-made disasters now that they can cause irreversible damage. And it is in fact ourselves who are causing these disasters because of our ignorance and some even being caused by intent. Without a doubt, we have kept making terrible mistakes over the years, which is why it is time we take awareness and become more cautious so that we can care for our world and lower the rate of man-made disasters. According to Stephen Kairos, remember, when disaster strikes, the time to prepare has passed. With this note, I would like to conclude this presentation. If you liked my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. I hope you will. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.